Did you buy Fortnite skins by mistake? Or maybe your kid did. If you live in the United States, you could get your money. But there's a deadline. You're eligible if you live in the United States. You bought Fortnite items by accident between January 2017 and September 2022. Or your child made purchases without permission between January 2017 and November 2018. Here's how to claim. Go to ftc.gov/Fortnite. Click File a Claim. Enter your email or Epic Games ID. Choose PayPal or check. Upload any proof like receipts or screenshots. This is official. Don't fall for fake links on TikTok or shady sites. Only use the official FTC page. The deadline is July 9th, 2025. Don't wait. Refunds will be sent through 2026, depending on your claim date. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and share with a Fortnite friend before it's too late.